So here we're going to take a very quick look at connecting an ISCSI Lun from an ESXi host to a NetApp filer. So there are some assumptions. That is being your ISCSI software initiator is installed on your host and running, as you can see here. And on your filer side that you also have an ISCSI license and it's also running. So first thing we'll do is look at the storage, and the first thing we'll do is we'll create the volume. So here I'm going to create a volume called Vmware ISOs, pulling disks from Agra 1 and making the size 215 gig. Now we're going to create the LUN inside of the volume. Size of the LUN is going to be 200 gig. The type is going to be Vmware, and you have the full path. Just calling it LUN 1. It can be any name. Now we're going to create the I group. The I group is what we're going to use on the filer side to say which initiators can talk to which targets. So here we're going to create an ISCSI Lun, that's the -I. The type is going to be Vmware, that's to fix the offsets so that you have block alignment. We're going to call the I group Vmware ISO Goliath, that's to match up the volume name and the host name, but it can be totally arbitrary. And then here is the initiator name. We can find this on the host side inside of the ISCSI name. So this right here is just being copied and pasted. We now have our I group. The next thing for us to do is to map the LUN to the I group. So here we're going to map LUN 1 to the same I group we just created. We can see that it's been mapped. So now we'll go back on the host side and we want to scan this target for this LUN. And by scanning we have to put in the IPs that it needs to talk to. In this case it's 10.33222. So we'll go into our ISCSI adapter, we'll go into properties, we'll go to dynamic discovery, and we'll add the filer IP. As soon as you do this, on the filer side, you'll notice that a new session has come in. We'll hit close on this. It wants to do a rescan, we'll say yes. It now sees one target. It's found a disk, it's mounted. It sees 200 gigs. And so now we'll go back over to our storage. We'll add storage. It's going to be a LUN, it's an ISCSI Lun. Here we see it, the 200 gig LUN. Going to next. It's going to be VMFS5. And this is telling you it's blank. And we're going to call it Vmware ISO. We're going to use all the space. In the summary page. And now it pops up here just like anything else would. Hardware acceleration is supported. You can browse this data store and add files to it and whatever we need to do.